So this is the key for the IONIQ 6. Quick horn test right here. Let's say you want to overtake someone. Hey guys, here we have the 2024 Hyundai IONIQ 6 and we are going to be taking it for a POV drive. Overall look is just futuristic. You have that spoiler right there for aerodynamics. This is the charging port. And to close it, just press that button.
Good day and welcome to the Autofocus Free Christmas Test.
Here is the back seat. This is my driving position. The batteries are underneath, so the foot area is a little bit higher than usual. You have to be mindful of that. You have a nice amount of leg room right here. And headroom, I have this much despite the sloping roofline. You have your armrest right here with 2 cup holders, and that's it. You also have a speaker grill right here and a rear heated seat. To open up the trunk, you have a button right here and it automatically opens. You have a long cargo space right there, although it is limited due to the sloping roofline of the car. There's the space underneath. You have your charger right there and a tire mobility kit. Close it, just press the trunk button. This is the front of the car. It does have LED headlights, and these are functional vents. These are actually air curtains, and you can also see that it has these active shutters for cooling its batteries or for aerodynamic purposes. You also have these pixelated turn signals right there, pop-out door handle. You have IONIQ 6 door sill right there. And it does have a wide door sill because the batteries are underneath. Nice solid door sound. You have this large speaker right here with Bose surround sound system. So this is the key for the IONIQ 6. It is the Hyundai logo, and you have your lock, unlock, and a remote start feature. So you can turn on the air conditioning when it is hot outside. Turn on the car, just press the brake and hit this EV start stop. And since this is an electric vehicle, there's no engine sound whatsoever. Turn on the air conditioning, just press that. What's nice about Hyundai's design is that we also have a shortcut physical buttons right here for your climate controls. Well, actually these are capacitive touch, but it is still a nice addition. You have ventilated seats to keep you cool on hot days. You have a head-up display up front. It has a swoopy interior design as compared to the boxy and spacious IONIQ 5. This one has a much more sporty feel to it. You have a 2-spoke design steering wheel, very futuristic. You have your radio controls right here and your trip computer controls right here. You have your parking brake right here on the left. You have a power folding side mirror, and you have this floating center console with 2 cup holders, a wireless charger, and nice storage area down below. You have your window controls right here on the center console as well, and you can see it is very well insulated. You have your auto hold function for the handbrake, and the center console is an adequate size, so you can fit small items right there. To put the car in gear, you have this stalk right here. Just flick it to the D position, and let's take it for a drive. As with every electric vehicle, there's a brake region function, and you can adjust that via these paddle shifters right here. We are currently in eco mode with brake region level 1, which is the lightest setting. And so far the steering is heavily assisted. It feels light. And riding over this brick road, the suspension is smooth. You also get this active sound design with the IONIQ 6. It's So it has artificial engine sound. This car also comes with a 360-degree camera. In eco mode, the power delivery is smooth. The heads-up display is very clear. It also warns you if there's a blind spot. Switch it to sport mode. Here's the drive mode. Instantly changes the dynamics of the car. Does sound like a spaceship, this car. And you can actually do one pedal driving with this brake region setup. So this car has automatic headlights, automatic windshield wipers, and you have 2 memory seats right here. This is your main menu. You can check your EV status right there, if how many kilometers left on your charge. And you also have a V2L capability with this car, meaning you can supply power to your appliances with a special adapter in the charge port. You also have a quiet mode. So when it detects an obstacle, it automatically turns on the 360-degree camera, as well as this sick view of the car. It's like you have a drone flying around you. This car has a total range of 451 kilometers on a single charge, and as with every electric vehicle, torque is delivered instantly. Let's do a quick horn test right here. Very premium. That active sound is definitely something. It helps you drive much more enthusiastically with this car. This is what it feels like driving comfortably in pure EV mode. Let's say you want to overtake someone. That's the lane keeping assist in action. It sounds as futuristic as it looks. And that torque is just very addicting, and it's pretty fast. into normal mode right now. And it's nice that there's little animation going on right here when you switch driving modes. Can actually turn it off. Much more serene environment. See? Still that instant torque, but in pure quietness. This camera turn signal combination is really helpful in maneuvering tight spaces because you can easily see if you're about to hit the curb. And everything about this car is very easy to use. It is smooth. Driving this is stress-free. And if you want to have some fun on the road, you can definitely do so with that instant torque. And the steering actually changes when you're in sport mode. For reverse, you flick it down and you can see the 360-degree camera in action. You can easily park your car in a straight line. There you go. And for park, just press this P button and the handbrake automatically turns on. So to turn off the car, you just turn off the air conditioning right here and press the EV start stop. You have a nice chime as with every Hyundai. So when you open the door, there's this nice animation with the Hyundai logo and this light bar, and the seats actually move back so that you have easier ingress and egress.